to another mobile tutorial for the Libib app. Today we are going over your item details. So here's my collections. I am going to click my end of the year TBR shelf where all the books I planned to read last year and I barely got through them. I am going to today scroll down to pumpkin heads. I'm going to click that item and it's going to pop up a whole new screen. You're going to have catalog, information, description. You're going to have a red delete button and a blue edit button. You're going to want to click the blue edit button. There's a bunch of edit options, but we're going to skip over those and go straight to your item details. The first one is rating. I'm going to click that. This little pop-up pops up and I can scroll across the screen to rate in half stars if I want, which is super awesome. I really loved and enjoyed Pumpkinhead, so I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 stars. So I'm going to drag that all the way to the end. And I'm going to hit the little rate button. It then pops up on your screen. We rated it 5 out of 5 stars, which is totally awesome. Don't forget to like and follow as more mobile tutorials are coming soon to a screen near you.